Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal Universal School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of Junior 1. Our today's topic is concept of things. Concept of things will be your CW and it is HW also. My dear student, today is our lecture number 17 of annual term and today's HW number will be 16. So my dear student, let us start our class. My dear students, today's lecture name is concept of things. Concept of things. In your question paper it comes fill as a fill in the blanks, as fill in the blanks. So the question is fill in the blanks of the following questions. Here you notice one day equal to dash hours. One day equal to dash hours. We know that one day equal to how many hours? One day equal to 24 hours. So we write here 24 hours. I repeat, one day equal to 24 hours. Next one month equal to how many days? 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 month equal to 30 days. So we write here 30. 1 month equal to 30 days. And our next one, question number C. 1 year equal to how many days? 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year equal to 365 days. Okay. Next one decade equal to how many years? 1 decade equal to how many years? 1 decade equal to 10 years. 1 decade equal to 10 years. Okay. Next one century equal to how many years? 1 century equal to how many years? It will be 100 years. 100 years. Okay. 1 score equal to how many things? 1 score equal to how many things? It will be 20 things. 20 things. Number G. 1 golden jubilee equal to how many years? 1 golden jubilee equal to how many years? It will be 50 years. It will be 50 years. My dear student, this is our today's topics. I read this again. 1 day equal to 24 hours, 1 month equal to 30 days, 1 year equal to 365 days, 1 decade equal to 10 years, 1 century equal to 100 years, 1 score equal to 20 things, and 1 golden jubilee equal to 50 years. My dear students, you must memorize this. Memorize this. If you don't memorize this, you cannot fill in the blanks. You cannot fill in the blanks. So you must memorize this to fill in the blanks. It is so easy. So you must memorize this. My dear students, it is your SW also. So you must do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly in our school in every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm by your guardians or any other person. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.